When you open it up, we're gonna have all of our water package, okay? And we got this. So this right here is gonna be our pet room table.
We got your 3-compartment sinks, guys. We've got your hand wash sink.
All right, you guys, so first one, like we said, we're gonna be showing you this one. This is an Alcom trailer, so it's a full aluminum trailer. It's not a steel build, it is aluminum. So on this one, it's an 8.5 by 32. It could be a car haul or whatever you really want it to be, but I got a cool feature on it I'm gonna show you. It's got one of them gull wing escape doors. But first, we're gonna start in the front of it. So in the front of this trailer, first thing you're gonna notice, it is a flat front trailer. So it has a flat front, and up top you have your cast aluminum corners. So those are gonna be your cast corners, just a little bit different than a standard flat front. It has your round radius up top as well, helps with a little bit of the aerodynamics. All right. Also on this trailer, it's gonna come with a caster wheel up here on your jack. It's I believe it's a 5,000, it's a 3,000 pound ram jack on it, 2 5/16 couple with safety chain, and like I said, it is all aluminum. What we'll do is we'll start on this side. So this is my favorite side. On this trailer, it's gonna be a 7-foot interior height, and also we have an 080 Polycore skin. Now something you see on this one, it is a screwless skin. So there is no screws inside of this trailer, as well as this trailer is riveted. So if you'll notice, most of our trailers, our steel frames actually have screws. These are rivets inside of this trailer on the screwless. All right. On this trailer also, if you come on down here, Mr. Jake, we got spread axles. So these are 52 torsion spreads. So on your spread axle, you have to have a torsion, but these are torsions, 11-year warranty on your axles. This big old door right here that I was telling you about, we like to call it a gull wing escape door. Reason why we call it a gull wing, because it goes to the very top. On your steel frame trailers, you can only do your 48 by 54 escape doors. On this one, this whole door lets up. All right, so gull wing escape door, right? Also, if you look right here, a bunch of people requested on a steel frame, but we can't do it on a steel frame. It has to be on an aluminum frame trailer, but this is a removable fender box. So if I was to take this, unhook this clasp, unhook this one here, this whole wheel box comes up, put it on the ground, pull your car in, and even got a step right here you can get inside the trailer. All right, ready? So now that we're inside of this trailer, if you'll notice, if you had a car in here, look how much room you have to open up that door. You have plenty of room to do so. Like I said, this is only on our aluminum trailers. It does not happen on our steel frames. It will not do it for us. Inside of this trailer, we have 12-inch on center all the way around. Floors, walls, and roof is on a 12-inch on center. It's all aluminum. You have a 1-piece roof inside of this trailer as well on top. Have a 32-inch side door up front of this trailer. You'll notice that, Mr. Jake. And then it's all finished out on the walls with a vinyl wall. So it's a white vinyl. It's not your regular plywood. As well as our aluminum trailers, if you guys order, just know that our aluminum trailers, unless you specify, they come with just a regular OSB floor. This is not an OSB floor. This is a pressure-treated wood floor. It's a 3/4 pressure-treated plywood. So it's weather tampered, right? It can get wet and moisture, and it ain't really got nothing to worry about. It is pressure-treated. Also in this trailer, we have 4 D-rings, 2 in the front, 2 in the rear, 5,000 pounds of welded backing plates to the frame. When you're hooked up to your 7-way plug, you'll have power as well up front. If you'll look, it's on a 3-way, so you have a switch up there too if you wasn't at your ramp door. So you have a switch there. So you got a 3-way switch inside of this trailer. You have plastic sidewall vents on this trailer as well. I'm gonna step out right here and we'll walk around the back, Jake. This ramp is rated for a 4,200-pound ramp. So it's got plenty of rotating capacity to get you in. Also on this ramp door, we have 3-inch bumpers. Now if you'll notice on this ramp, we have 3-inch bumpers. So basically the transition point for your Mustangs or your Corvettes, different things of that nature, is the transition's more smooth. It's not as point and jagged right here, so it'll tear off your front fender. So we do have 3-inch bumpers up under there. Right here, instead of our 16-inch ramp flap, we have a 24-inch ramp flap. It just helps extend it out a little bit more, not as much of an aggressive pitch. This is a pressure-treated plywood ramp. You'll notice on the top up there, Jake, we got a spoiler on this trailer. So on this trailer, it does have a spoiler with loading lights. So you'll be able to see loading at night or whatever the case may be, unloading in the morning. We have T8 strip lights on the back of this trailer for your tail lights. Like I said, this ramp is rated for about 4,200 pounds rotating weight. Once your front tires get in the trailer, your back tires touch. So you got plenty of capacity to load cars and whatever else you need in here. This is 32 foot, plenty of room as well. Those plastic sidewall vents I was telling you guys about, this is the exterior. There's one on the front driver's side up high, one on the passenger side bottom rear down low. This gives you a pretty picture of that side, that screwless 080 exterior, so it's nice and clean. So like I said, you got your spread axles on this side as well, your torsion axles, and they do have your alloy black and chrome flashy wheels on here. If you want to, Jake, right here we got a 32-inch side door. This is going to be our holdback. It's not one of them cheap plastic holdbacks that you might see in the past. It is an actual aluminum holdback, and it would connect right here to this. So that'll hold that door back. If it's real windy or anything like that, it'll hold your door back. Also up under the bottom right here, we have an RV step. This RV step doesn't hang down real low. It's just a straight pull out and push in. Very easy to do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna step down, take you, put this fender back on, just slide it in a little bit, then you can lock your lock, and I did that in what? 15 seconds, as easy as that. So you got your fender back, you'll take this door, let's bump your head, Jake. Push down, the gull wing doors go straight to. There we go, we got this 32 foot. We'll step it back around front, we'll talk a little bit about it.
And before I leave, thank you, son, for all that you do.
You the
He's
man.
a blessing. He's good soil to sow into. I've got to head to the baseball field and go Trojans, and I'm going to let you finish with the mobile pet grooming trailer.
Lane's a good tipper, all right? All right, you guys, so like I said, this is that 32-foot trailer. It is on sale right now. Let me pull up my invoice just so I'm not mistaken on it. All right, so on this trailer, my invoice cost, what Lane paid for this trailer was $22,753. Now, like you said, on the first barbecue trailer, we're giving $1,000 off. There's nothing wrong with this trailer. We're gonna sell it at invoice. So you can take this trailer home for $22,753 and have you a $500 tip to do whatever you want with. If you wanted to go towards the trailer, $22,253, all right? So that's what this one is selling for. And Lane wants these things to roll. So if you give us a call, we'll be more than happy to put you in them.